आई एम नॉट अ शैम बाय नेचर कि मैं 1 2 3 4 या ABCD बोल के अपने लाइन्स दे दूँ। अगर एक इंडस्ट्री आपका ब्रेड एंड बटर है और वहाँ आपको इतना प्यार मिल रहा है और लोग आपको इतना प्यार कर रहे हैं, तो द लीस्ट यू कैन डू, मुझे वो ही लैंग्वेज कैसे नहीं आ सकती जिससे मेरा घर चल रहा है।
डिसिप्लिन कितना जरूरी है?
I think it is the core of everything. Discipline for me, I feel, is so important because
साइलेंसेस, पॉजेस, आई कांटेक्ट, आंखों से बात करना, कैसे करती हैं आप?
I rehearse my lines. I have to know my lines very well, and then I go on set, and then it's the brief of the director. Then I'm like a blank book. जैसे Kareena is known for जब भी मैं, or a Chameli. And these are iconic roles.
Correct.
So of course you want कि आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी में वो iconic roles हों. I am not that kind of person कि अच्छा यार अभी बैठो, ऐश करो, वो ठीक है, वो मैं बाद में कर लूँगी, मुझे काम करना है. I'm a workaholic.
आपको लगता है कि that you have not been properly utilized in Bollywood yet? किस तरीके का कंटेंट आप कंज्यूम करना पसंद करती हैं?
I love thrillers.
How protective are you about the energies that's around you?
I am. Hi guys, this is Rakul and you're watching Memorable Conversations with Faridoon Shehryar.
आज मेरे साथ में एक ऐसी आर्टिस्ट हैं जो कि ना सिर्फ बहुत कमाल की एक्ट्रेस हैं, एट द सेम टाइम शी इज़ एक्सट्रीमली डिसिप्लिन्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा पंक्चुअल हैं. बहुत से लोग जो हैं वो सिर्फ बातें करते हैं, लेकिन ये अपने उसूलों पे इतना ज़्यादा पाबंद हैं कि दैट शी विल गो टू एनी एक्सटेंट टू जस्ट सेफगार्ड her sanctity, her integrity, and I am a huge fan of particularly that aspect of her personality as well. And obviously ये जिस तरीके की ये दिख रही हैं इस वक्त कमाल की, तो ये पिछले 10 साल से मैं इनको ऐसे ही देख रहा हूँ, and she is looking younger and better now. So Rakul, welcome on Memorable Conversations with Faridoon Shehryar. कैसी हैं आप?
Faridoon, बहुत बढ़िया, and so nice to finally do this with you after such a long time.
मुझे तो लगता नहीं कि ज़्यादा कुछ वक्त हुआ, आप वैसे ही दिख रही हैं और आप मुझे लगता है कि और ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हो गई हैं.
अरे so sweet, thank you. ये बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. I don't think anybody needs any other compliment.
I mean it. मैं तो देखिए जैसे फिटनेस के मामले में अगर आप देखिए तो मैंने बहुत सीखा है आपसे, और जो आपके उसूल हैं, जिस तरीके से आप you're just so particular about your diet and your fitness.
Thank you.
And that shows on the way you are. So that is wonderful. कितना ज़रूरी है डिसिप्लिन, कितना ज़रूरी है?
I think it is the core of everything, discipline for me, I feel, is so important because, Faridoon, जब आप अपनी किसी भी प्रोफेशन में जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं, it not necessarily being an actor, but whether you want to start a startup, you doctor, engineer, whatever, right? I think अगर आप disciplined नहीं हैं, you will never be able to follow a routine. And if you don't have a routine, you will never be able to do the amount of work or put in the amount of work and effort required to reach a particular level. So I feel discipline तो core है. आपको कुछ आता हो ना आता हो, डिसिप्लिन होगा तो you will also have the ability to learn and grow. लेकिन अगर वो ही नहीं होगा, how will you learn, how will you grow, how will you evolve? And I feel it has different pillars, right? Discipline comes in the form of food, sleep, work, sleep timing, mobile timing, screen time, everything, right? So there's so many different pillars to it. So I think for me, I give it utmost importance.
The way you learned तेलुगु में आपने कमाल के आपने फिल्में करी हैं, आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था कि आप ज़ुबान को सीखें. आप बहुत से लोग डब करते हैं और दूसरे लोग उनके लिए डब कर देते हैं. You actually learned the language, which is wonderful. You know a smattering of Tamil as well.
Yes.
Tamil. Which is beautiful as well. So वो कितना ज़रूरी था आपके लिए कि ज़ुबान को सीखना? आसान नहीं है.
नहीं, I think for me, Faridoon, वो बहुत एक अंदर से कॉल आई थी. I see again discipline. I'm not a sham by nature. कि मैं 1 2 3 4 या ABCD बोल के अपने लाइन्स दे दूँ, एंड फॉर मी आई एम अ वेरी पीपल्स पर्सन. तो अगर एक इंडस्ट्री जब इनफैक्ट फ्रॉम माई फर्स्ट फिल्म ऑनवर्ड्स मैंने वो आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी क्यूरियस कि अच्छा ये डायलॉग दिया गया है मुझे, एंड आई यूज्ड टू टेल माई स्टाफ एंड माई टीम कि मुझे बताते रहो इसका मतलब क्या है. सो आई यूज्ड टू कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप आस्किंग क्या बोला, अच्छा मुझसे तेलुगु में बात करो, देन कन्वर्ट इट इन हिंदी और इंग्लिश. सो आई स्टार्ट पिकिंग इट अप. And within 2 years, I started speaking. And for me, the most important fact was कि अगर एक इंडस्ट्री आपका ब्रेड एंड बटर है और वहाँ आपको इतना प्यार मिल रहा है और लोग आपको इतना प्यार कर रहे हैं, तो the least you can do is know the language that is your livelihood. मुझे वो ही लैंग्वेज कैसे नहीं आ सकती जिससे मेरा घर चल रहा है. So that's how I picked it up. So Telugu तो I speak more fluently than I speak Punjabi.
अच्छा
हाँ जी, it's funny कि क्योंकि मेरे आसपास पंजाबी में बात करने वाले ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं. But Telugu मैंने इतना बात किया है that my lingo is better in Telugu than in Punjabi. I mean, I can speak Punjabi also fluently, but I have to still think in Punjabi for a second before saying something because I
Correct.
start mixing Telugu.
राइट
It's very funny. And Tamil I understand completely and I can speak very broken. मतलब मैं अपने आप को manage कर लूँगी चेन्नई में. But I have tense issues because also I've worked in lesser number of films as compared to Telugu.
बाउंड्रीज कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए?
बहुत important है. I think, but in what aspect are you asking? Boundaries in the workspace, in the personal space? What aspect are you asking?
Generally, because मैंने आपका एक जो approach मैंने notice किया है that you have a very balanced approach. That you have a fun personality and you reach the sets on time. You reach everywhere on time.
Yeah, I was here 10 minutes early today.
She came 10 minutes before, and at the same time you are fun. You have you don't have that you know कि ये मुझसे आप मत नहीं पूछ सकते हैं या फिर आपने ये क्यों पूछा? Yeah, like you have that fun side to your personality as well. So I find that very balanced, which is always wonderful. And once you set that pattern, then people start respecting you in similar lines because you're not like a इंडस्ट्री किड आइदर. तो आपका अपने लिए वो एक सर्टेन पैरामीटर सेट करना मेरे ख्याल से शायद बहुत ज़रूरी था.
बहुत ज़रूरी था. एंड आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. जब मैंने काम करना शुरू किया था, इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 2013 नवंबर वाज माय फर्स्ट तेलुगु फिल्म.
जी.
12 years, राइट. एंड मुझे लोगों ने बोला था कि ये टाइम वाइम ना, इट इज़ ऑल गोना गो. 2-3 साल तुम एक्टर बनो, फिर टाइम वाइम सब जाएगा. बट आई थिंक फॉर मी इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू, आई वॉज लाइक, लेट पीपल नो हु आई एम. Look, why should I be a part of the herd mentality? आज भी लोग अमित जी के बारे में बात करते हैं ना कि अमित जी बहुत पंक्चुअल है.
करेक्ट.
या अमित जी बहुत डेडिकेटेड है, या सेट पे वो पहले आ जाते हैं. सो व्हाई कांट दे से रकुल बहुत पंक्चुअल है एंड रकुल टाइम पे आ जाती है. एंड आई जस्ट रियलाइज दैट यू नो दिस इज मी. If 20 years of my life I've been something, then how can 3-4 years of being in the industry change that about me?
Right.
And luckily 12 years तक अब हो गए हैं और अभी तक तो change नहीं हुआ है. And I also feel it is important. I'll tell you what happens. When you're a young girl who comes out in the world to sort of make something of herself, I think unknowingly आप एक you have a wall, right? At least me. Also because I come from the army and all of that. So I have that boundary very strictly. I think it's a part of my aura. Which is why I say that I've had the very good experience with everyone because I don't think anyone has even dared to cross that line.
Correct.
It's also how you project yourself, right? And I think that is a protection, that's like a protective measure that you take as a woman in today's world. I'm making sense, right?
100%,
I'm like, you
100%.
put your guards are on, basically. And I think just because you don't know anybody, you know, you can't lean upon anyone. I don't have someone who's going to create a backup film for me. You know, कि अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, ये नहीं चली तो कुछ और, ये नहीं चली तो कुछ और. So you have to be very careful, very cautious, taking the right moves, being careful in the kind of friends you make, the kind of interactions you have. So I think, yeah, that's like a defense mechanism that comes up as a young girl who steps out in the world.
Young girl who's getting younger.
Younger, oh wow.
ओके, सो जब मैंने दे दे प्यार दे 2 मैंने जब देखी तो मुझे इस चीज़ की क्या बहुत खुशी हुई. मुझे लगता है कि किसी भी शख्स को, चाहे वो मेल हो फीमेल हो, बगैर शादी किए हो, शादी होने के बाद हो, उनको ना अपने अंदर एक, अगर वो आर्टिस्ट हैं तो उनको एम्बिशन उनकी कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. और जो उसमें आपका जो एक पूरा आपका अवतार था, इट वाज कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ दे दे प्यार दे 1 एंड सर्टेन डायलॉग्स वर बोल्ड एंड the character was progressive and maybe a bit more progressive in this one as well. The moment I saw that, you know, that she is literally going all out. इनका किसी तरीके से कोई curtailment नहीं है कि कपड़ों के मामले में या फिर body language के मामले में या फिर anything whatsoever. And I thought that, you know, this is the game. That if you can project that I'm married because of my personal reasons, but that doesn't mean that my ambition is any less now. And that,
I think they're two very different things anyway, right? And I think a lot of actors have already changed that rule, starting from Kareena Kapoor. you know, Kareena was Kareena, she is Kareena today, even today, right?
Correct.
And I think that's the beauty, right? Today, whether it is Alia, Kareena, Deepika, Priyanka, Kiara, everyone's married, but these are two different aspects of your life. I'm not, and like you said, you know, you've gone all out in the character. That's the character that's been given to me, and
Correct.
that's the character that I have approved because I love the script. Whatever it takes for that character to look just, right? The intention is not, oh, I have to show the world that I'm married and I can still do this. It's not that. It's the demand of the script. Having said that, if there is a film where I feel that this is not a part of the story and this is being pushed, or you know, she doesn't need to wear certain clothes a certain way or doesn't need to say certain things a certain way, and I don't align, then I will not do it.
Right.
You also, it has to also be aligned. Dede Pyar De is that film which is a very progressive film.
Correct.
You know,
Absolutely.
even part 1 and part 2, so the character is the same. You just see her in a more active approach now because it's her house.
Right.
Because
Right.
she takes the narrative and the charge in hand.
Correct.
वो लड़ाकी लड़की है.
बिल्कुल, लेकिन देखिए एट द सेम टाइम जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ये होता है ना कि जब आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रही हैं, कहीं ना कहीं एक जो सर्टेन एक सोसाइटल जो एक एट टाइम्स इम्पोज किए जा सकते हैं. देयर आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस, यू नो, कि दैट ये कहीं शायद मुझे करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, कैन बी टोन इट डाउन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो मुझे कहीं पर भी इस तरीके का एहसास नहीं हुआ कि आपने किसी तरीके से यू हेल्ड योरसेल्फ बैक.
Because I think my biggest cheerleader is my husband.
दैट्स अमेजिंग.
I think he is my biggest cheerleader and my best friend. He gets happier when people praise my work than even me. You know, like I have to stop him to stop sharing things on Instagram. Like, it's okay, maybe you've shared 2-3 things, because he gets so excited and he always says that you're my pride. And I think because I have that trust and faith with him, and I know he has that trust in me, that I will not do anything which is not ethical.
Correct.
In the sense of the character or in the way how I project myself as a person, right? So
Correct.
people know me. So yeah, and not just my, and I'd like to take this opportunity to say, not just my husband, actually my in-laws. They are so happy with the, you know, then they watched the film. They did a screening in Dubai a day prior to the release. And they called their friends and they watched the film, and and Jackie's mother, my mother-in-law, she's called me and she's loved the film. She was checking Book My Show trending. She was checking the figures like every hour, and she was calling me, listen, it's gone up right now. I think today is going to be a jump. And she was so excited for
Right.
me. So I think for me, when I have a family that supports me, nothing more matters, you know.
Right.
Even his dad was like, he left a long message saying, you've done so well in the film, and whatever the result is, like, I don't think you can make a better rom-com than this.
Correct.
You know, you're laughing, there's emotion, there's a conversation, and he really enjoyed it. So I think when I have that surround system, I don't need to think about anybody else in the society if the family is supportive.
जैकी को मैं बहुत मैं पहले जानता हूँ, उनकी पहली फिल्म से मैं उनको जानता हूँ. मुझे जो एक चीज़ जो पसंद आती है जैकी के अंदर, कि दैट इन स्पाइट ऑफ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बिल्कुल भी आसान जगह नहीं है. जिस तरीके से जो परसेप्शंस को लेकर और बॉक्स ऑफिस को लेकर और बाकी सब चीज़ों को लेकर जिस तरीके के आई थिंक द चैटर दैट हैपेंस टू मेंटेन अ सेन हेड इज नॉट इजी. ही हैज बीन अ कंसिस्टेंटली नाइस पर्सन.
Yeah.
No matter what happens, he's a good human being.
Yeah, I think I married the nicest person.
Which I think is really
You know,
good.
I'll
And
tell you, it's so
in
funny.
spite of the money and everything, he's very grounded.
He's very grounded because, you know, money came while he was growing up. It's not like he was born into money. Right? And even with that, they've seen, because mom, dad are very grounded, and they've, you know, dad's story, right? He was a sari vendor.
Of course, Vashu
From
ji,
there, his story, his life story is inspirational. And Jackie knows that, and he's seen dad work through it, all of it, right? And even he started ADing at the age of 14 or 15. And Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein and all of that.
Right.
So he used to run around, and dad is a one-man army, so he used to do everything himself. So so it's also like the kind of entitlement you come from, right? It's not generational money. It's been created.
Of course.
And they have seen highs and lows. Earlier also with films, it's a very unpredictable career, right? Production's not easy. So they've seen their highs and lows. But I think that the core of it, he's a very happy person. He's a very nice person, and that's what I fell in love with. Like, he's a very happy, nice person.
What is your opinion? जैसे आज के टाइम पे जिस तरीके से जो कैरेक्टराइजेशन होता चले जा रहा है, यू नो, दैट डार्क कैरेक्टर है, वाइट कैरेक्टर है, सो एक कहीं ना कहीं जो एक ग्रे कैरेक्टर्स का एक जो चलन जिस तरीके से सामने आया है, Do you find that fascinating?
I do. As an actor, I find it very fascinating. Like, I'd love to do a Gone Girl. I'd love to play a twisted character. But having said that, I'm still very confused if I should or I shouldn't. Sometimes. You know, because there are so many thoughts and there's so much advice. I'll tell you what happens is that when you're seen in a grey character, there are certain makers who don't want to cast you in a girl next door role. Even today. That I feel is unfair or wrong in a certain way, because as an actor, that is our job. We have to act. You're not that character. None of your characters is you. Right? That is your job. You have to be in the skin of an absolutely different character, and that's the joy of it. लेकिन आज भी ऐसा कहा जाता है कि यार ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहिए, या ऐसा मत करो या वैसा मत करो, फिर आपको लव स्टोरी में कास्ट नहीं करेंगे, वो गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर में कास्ट नहीं करेंगे, यू नो, हीरोइन एक क्विंटेसेंशियल इस तरीके से होनी चाहिए. बट आई एम सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू नो, सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग टू डिफाई दोज रूल्स. सो आई एम ऑल्सो इन द होल weighing it out sort of a situation. बिकॉज ऐसा तो है नहीं ना कि मैं वो एक फिल्म कर लूंगी और फिर कोई और मेरे लिए फिल्म बना देगा कि कोई बात नहीं, ये ले लो. या सो वो ना फूक फूक के कदम रखने पड़ते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आल्सो कंफ्यूज्ड ऑनेस्टली, बट आई लव टू डू इट. आई थिंक एट सम पॉइंट इन माय लाइफ तो आई विल.
नो, 100%. देखिए, मेरा जो जो मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस है, आई एम वेरी हाई ऑन इंट्यूशन एंड इंस्टिंक्ट. कि आपको जो इंस्टिंक्ट कहता है बहुत बार वो सही होता है. जब दे दे प्यार दे पार्ट 2 जब मैं देख रहा था, तो मेरा एक थॉट प्रोसेस ये है कि यार, ये इन्होंने जो दे दे प्यार दे में किया है और दे दे प्यार दे 2 में किया है, उसके अलावा जो उन्होंने बाकी हिंदी फिल्म्स में इतनी सारी उन्होंने फिल्में करी हैं, why is it that she is so diametrically opposite? Maybe she is not being imagined rightly, slotted rightly as far as Bollywood is concerned. आपने साउथ में आपने सिक्का मनवाया है, चाहे तेलुगु है, तमिल हो, तो आपको लगता है कि that you have not been properly utilized in Bollywood yet?
Yeah.
And that does it bother you?
When it bothers me, I just tell myself you've come a long way. So I have to always see the positive. But I feel that there is so much in me which has not been, which I haven't done yet. And that's the sad reality, right? Not just me, there are so many other actors. If you see, एक फिल्म चलती है और फिर सब लोग अच्छा हाँ दिस एक्टर, वो एक्टर्स 3-4 साल से हैं, आसपास हैं, but they are not visible to the makers sometimes, right? So I really hope that after this film, which a lot of people, this time I've got a lot of love from the industry. The first message I got was from Adi sir.
Aditya Chopra?
जी.
Okay.
From after watching De De Pyar De. So I remember Friday release हुई, Saturday morning मुझे message आया था. That's it. I was like, okay, great. I'm very happy. अब जो होगा देखी जाएगी.
क्या बोला उन्होंने?
He said that he loved the film and he loved my work, and he said a very sweet thing. I don't know if I should say it. But,
please go ahead, yeah.
He said, believe in you because I think you have a lot more than you think. Something on these lines.
100%, बिल्कुल सही बात है.
So he said he said be careful with your choices because you have a lot more in you. So I feel like that for me was such a validation coming from someone like him. Of course, the biggest thank you goes here to Love Ranjan. And the entire Love Film team, and Anshul, my director, and Akeev sir of part 1 to see me as Aisha. Because at that time, if you see, that time I was working in Telugu, I wasn't working in Hindi. And उन्होंने मेरा साउथ का काम देखा था कि नहीं मुझे नहीं मालूम, but they imagined that she's never been shown like this. I was a girl next door, you know, I was playing hot roles also, but never something so feisty. So they imagined that I can pull Aisha off. And again with De De Pyar De to amp up the character of Aisha. So it's their belief. So I really hope that लोगों को देखना चाहिए that I know I'm capable of playing a rooted character as much as I can play a feisty city girl, or as much as I can play a grey character. You know, and I'm very open. There have been so many times I tell people, you put me in the look and see. I'm happy to test.
Which is wonderful. तो आपने आदि सर से आपने कहा नहीं कि that बिल्कुल quintessential यशराज में हीरोइन लग रही हो? मुझे लगता है कि
नहीं, बस मैं थैंक यू बोला. मुझे आई वाज सो ओवरवेल्म्ड एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी मैंने थैंक यू बोला. एंड फिर जो होना होता है यार, आई मीन आई सी यू कैन लाइक आई फील ही इज सच अ सीनियर person in the industry. People look up to him. You know, if he's given me a compliment, I should be grateful and just leave it at that.
हम कर देते हैं. देख लेंगे वो. You know, but sleeveless साड़ीज में actresses को present करना very graceful yet very glamorous.
Yeah.
And I think Yashraj, I think they do it beautifully, and
Yeah.
De De Pyar De Tu is like a perfect advertisement for that as well.
Yes.
In more ways than one. So I
Yes.
think it's high time.
Yeah, I mean
That,
anything, right? Like I feel I really want to push the envelope even in commercial films. Commercial में भी बहुत layers होते हैं. You can do so much. Like I haven't done romance as a genre. I haven't done historical as a genre.
Right.
And just like to get that opportunity to be able to play different roles.
Historical है, mythology है.
Mythology है. Yeah.
All right. So मुझे आप ये बताइए, देखिए I think let's put it out to the world. भूख कितनी है रकुल के अंदर? एम्बिशन कितनी है?
बहुत.
हाँ, ये मैं सुनना चाह रहा हूँ.
बहुत एम्बिशन है. एंड आई थिंक लोगों को ना, ये जो आप शुरू में पूछ रहे थे कि क्या एम्बिशन कम हो जाती है. एम्बिशन, सी आई ऑलवेज हैव बीन अ वेरी ड्रिवन पर्सन. आई एम अ वर्कaholic. आई थिंक माई एनर्जी आई गेट फ्रॉम वर्क एंड आई लव माई वर्क. आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन कि अच्छा यार अभी बैठो ऐश करो, वो ठीक है, वो मैं बाद में कर लूंगी, मुझे काम करना है. You know, I'm very greedy, very hungry, and I like to reach out to people. I'm like, I'll reach out, I'll call people, I'll say, okay, I want to test for this, I want to do this, meet me for it. You know, I'm very driven like that.
Right. So you already have like a De De Pyar De, for example, but at the same time, आपके अंदर क्या वो एक ambition है कि आप, do you think about your legacy, for example, कि that, you know, कि आज से 10 साल के बाद में, जैसे for example the way people talk about Kareena जब भी met, and several other films of hers where she's simply fabulous. क्या उसके point of view से आप सोचती हैं कि कुछ एक iconic कुछ एक role मिले, इम्तियाज़ अली से किसी तरीके से आपकी मुलाकात आपकी?
नहीं, मुलाकात तो मेरी हुई है. हम लोग एक प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस भी कर रहे थे. इट डिडंट हैपन देन, बट आई डेफिनेटली आई थिंक एवरी एक्टर वांट्स कि मुझे 10-15 साल 20 साल बाद जब लोग याद करें तो एटलीस्ट एक फिल्म तो ऐसी हो जिसमें, जैसे करीना इज नोन फॉर जब वी मेट, you know, or a Chameli, and these are iconic roles.
Correct.
So of course you want कि आपकी filmography में वो iconic roles हों. जैसे तेलुगु में है मेरे पास. I think to some extent Aisha is also a very loved character.
बिल्कुल है.
In De De Pyar De Tu. But मैं सिर्फ इतना सोचती हूँ फरीदून that I want to be in a place in my life कि मैं at every stage of my life मैं काम करूँ. You know, I think I'm not delusional कि मुझे 10 साल बाद भी हीरोइन और गाने करने हैं. You know, of course, till the time I look the part, of course. But I want to be smart enough and I want to be able to maneuver or make my career choices in a way कि मैं जिस तरह का काम तब्बू मैम कर रही हैं या जिस तरह का काम करीना मैम कर रही हैं अभी, like I think Kareena ma'am is the perfect example of like balance between, she's trying to do some great performance oriented work as well, you know, like that what was that Hansal Mehta sir's film that she did, the Buckingham Murders. Correct. And things like that. So I feel like she's trying to, and then she does a Golmaal. Correct. Right? So I think that's beautiful and I would love to be there in my life कि मैं at every point अलग अलग तरीके का काम करते रहूं. राइट.
और लाइक से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम मेल एक्टर्स की बात करें कि दैट जिस तरीके से रणबीर कपूर जिस तरीके का काम कर रहे हैं, डू यू फाइंड दैट इंस्पायरिंग, द सॉर्ट ऑफ चांसेस दैट ही टेक्स एंड द सॉर्ट ऑफ वर्क दैट ही इज डूइंग?
एब्सोल्युटली. रणबीर और रणवीर with Dhurandhar. I mean, that's a very Akshay Khanna. That's a, and today the films are, you know, because OTT भी आ गया है, films भी kind of writing is shifting, you know, people have to push more to deliver more in the theatres. I think it's a great space for actors to take those chances कि मैं अलग अलग तरीके के roles करूँ. Honestly, I've just come to realize that, you know, अपने दिल की सुनो और करो.
क्या बात है?
ज़्यादा क्या होगा, नहीं चलेगी. वो तो उन फिल्मों के साथ भी वही रिस्क होता है ना, जिनको आप बहुत सोच के करते हो कि यार ये तो शॉर्ट चलेगी ही चलेगी. The padded films, the well-backed films. So just do it, yeah. You've got one life, just do it.
एक और मैं आपसे एक बात मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि बहुत से लोग जो देख रहे होंगे, जो एस्पिरेंट्स हैं सिनेमा में आने के लिए, मे बी शायद उनको भी कुछ एक रास्ता मिल सके. बहुत बार क्या होता है, जो मैंने बड़े करीब से देखा है कि एट टाइम्स स्पेशली द यंगस्टर्स एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव बीन देयर फॉर मेनी इयर्स, दे स्टार्ट टेकिंग देमसेल्व्स वे टू सीरियसली. और सिनेमा अल्टीमेटली जो है एक इंटरटेनमेंट का जरिया है. अगर आप खुद जो है आपकी लाइफ में एक इफ यू आर नॉट एंजॉयिंग योरसेल्फ, तो आप पब्लिक को कैसे एंजॉय करवाएंगे? तो यू हैव टू बी हैव दैट एलिमेंट ऑफ फन in your own life. and maybe not take your work very very seriously, but
not yourself.
Yeah,
I
don't
was
get
just going to
overwhelmed.
say that,
Ji.
and that's a very beautiful thing that you've said, Faridun. A lot of people around start taking themselves very seriously. कि
जी.
हम पता नहीं क्या बन गए. And I don't think you can ever, at least in my opinion, feel that way.
जी.
People are the ones who make you a star. People are the ones who put you on a pedestal. They are the ones who can also remove you from the pedestal.
Correct.
So I think our approach needs to be कि ये मेरा काम है, मैं 9 to 9 काम कर रही हूँ. And after I hear pack up, I'm back to being the girl that I am, who loves to be with family or chill with friends or go on a vacation or do whatever she wants to do and be normal, be grounded, be silly, be fun, be whatever you want to be. Take your work extremely seriously, but not yourself. यहाँ कई लोगों के साथ उल्टा होता है. Work is not taken seriously, but they are taking themselves very seriously.
Correct.
I don't come from that opinion.
किस तरीके का कंटेंट आप कंज्यूम करना पसंद करती हैं?
I love thrillers. I love thrillers. I love, of course, murder mysteries. I also enjoy rom-coms a lot because I think there are days जब आप इतना hectic होता है, आप travel कर रहे हो या काम करके आए हो, you want to watch something light-hearted, you want to just have a few laughs. But I'm a filmy buff. Like I really like watching content.
जब आप मिरर में अपने आप को देखती हैं, रकुल अपने आप को मिरर में देखती हैं,
जी.
तो किस तरीके का आपका एक अपने आप से आपका एक कन्वर्सेशन होता है? Do you just praise yourself? Do you just marvel at the fact that how good looking I am?
No, I don't do all that. I just look at myself and मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. और मैंने ये पहले भी इंटरव्यूज में बोला है that I think I am not an insecure person. And when I look at myself, I just give a pat on my shoulder and I'm like, just keep working hard to keep climbing up that ladder, step by step. And that's it. मैं इतना ज़्यादा मिरर में भी नहीं देखती हूँ. मिरर फोर्स किया जाता है मेरे सामने कि अच्छा just do some touch. I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. Right. So right now that you were talking ना interview में पहले that the clothes and everything and the body language is so different in De De Pyar De from the other characters that I've played. So there's a fun story to it. That's obviously the character, right? The body language changes with every character you approach. But that's not my real way of being. Aisha is a little girly in the way she dresses. And Lafsa used to joke with me behind the scene कि यार ये देखो मैं इसको कितना hot दिखा रहा हूँ, ये कैसे लड़कों की तरह बैठी हुई है, So I am very tomboyish when it comes to my body language. And but on screen it's very different. So there were many jokes like that. If I'm in a sari also, I'm standing like this and he's like, just stand like a lady. I was like, oh, okay, sorry. So a lot of that used to happen on set. But but that's your job, to put on a different character. Absolutely.
One of the big highlights of De De Pyar De is the writing, that not merely the dialogues, but the way the screenplay is, the way the structure of the character is as well. Do you speak to writers at times that that maybe write something which is very very interesting for me, and does that attract you? Because जब आप जिस तरीके का आप डायलॉग्स को आप बोल रही हैं, जिस तरीके से आप कैरेक्टर निभा रही हैं, वो आपको समझ में आ गया है, वो आपको गेम जो है वो समझ में आ गया है कि अगर अच्छी राइटिंग हो तो आपको भी करने में मज़ा आता होगा.
राइटिंग इज एवरीथिंग. अगर आपको लोग बोलते हैं और शी इज वेरी गुड इन दैट फिल्म, शी इज द बेस्ट इन दैट फिल्म, बिकॉज दैट फिल्म हैज गिवन मी द स्कोप टू शो अ वैरायटी ऑफ इमोशंस. You have to have the scenes to do it.
Correct.
And I think, of course, writing is of utmost importance. So that credit goes to, again, Love Sir and Tarun, because they were the writers on De De Pyar De, Tarun Jain. But I didn't have a conversation. उन्होंने already लिखा हुआ था, and this was the first draft that I had read.
जी.
So, and he did tell me that it is. I remember Love Sir coming to my wedding and actually telling me कि मैं तेरे लिए गिफ्ट नहीं लाया हूँ, but मैंने स्क्रिप्ट ऐसी लिखी है ना, because by then De De Pyar De was already pre-production.
Right.
So he said, पर स्क्रिप्ट ऐसी लिखी है ना, I had not heard the script by then. कि that's your gift. And it just turned out to be like that, right?
Correct.
So I didn't, on this particular film, I didn't sit with them, but in general in life, I do reach out to writers that if something does come your way, interesting, and I've started doing that now. Please run it by me, because I want to experiment and I want to do better written scripts.
अब आपको टाइम आपको हो गया है फिल्म्स करते करते, क्या आपको इस चीज़ का आपको एक एहसास होता है that when you are narrated a script, when you start doing it, एक तरीके का आपको अंदर से एक फीलिंग आए, गट फीलिंग आए, that something is going right. और उसके अलावा बहुत बार जो एक सिंप्लिसिटी है किसी भी कैरेक्टराइजेशन की, किसी भी फिल्म की, एंड द फैक्ट दैट जो ओवरडू नहीं हो रहा है, अगर आप करते करते अगर इफ थिंग्स आर बीइंग एडिटेड आउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट देयर इज नो सुपरफ्लुअस एलिमेंट, वो जो है अपने आप में, अगर फिल्मिंग के टाइम पे अगर वो आपको एक इंस्टिंक्ट आ जाए, तो मे बी आई थिंक must be a great high as well, that to look forward to the remaining part of it as well. Do you experience that? Do you think from that point of view, can you look at your characterization and the movies from a distance?
Absolutely. And I feel sometimes while you're shooting that this is coming out well, and you're excited and you're looking forward to every day, and sometimes this is not coming out well also. वो भी हुआ है जब मुझे हफ्ता 10 दिन के बाद लगा है कि this is doomed, but then you can't do anything about it either, क्योंकि कमिटमेंट की है तो यू हैव टू फिनिश द फिल्म. बट एब्सोल्युटली आपकी जो एनर्जी है वो बदल जाती है व्हेन यू नो दैट सीन हैज लैंडेड. आई एट दैट पॉइंट मे नॉट बी एबल टू टेल एज मच. वो एक आफ्टर थॉट होता है, by gauging your director's energy, everyone's reaction. When you finish the scene, आप जब लाइन दे रहे हो तो then नहीं, बट जब पैकअप हो जाए उस दिन का, देन यू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट एंड यू रिफ्लेक्ट बैक एंड यूर लाइक हाँ आज अच्छा था, आज मजा आया. लाइक आई रिमेंबर दैट वंस मोमेंट फॉर मी वाज दैट हाईवे सीन इन दे दे प्यार दे.
I loved it when they stopped and
When
you have a conversation with
I have a conversation with Maddie sir.
That's a brilliant conversation.
I was so satisfied that day. There was just a different feeling that I've never done something like this, and I was given these lines, and actually those lines mean a lot, because I was seeing Abhi recently that there are a lot of therapists who are making reels on that dialogue. I don't know if you've come across anything, and saying कि ये Indian society का issue है, that everything is attached to लोग क्या कहेंगे, right? And how this should, how it impacts the minds of children. Beautifully done, huh? I've seen like 3-4 of them.
Yeah.
So for me, that was a very satisfying moment. Also because I saw Maddie sir's reaction, and he told me this the second day when we were doing dinner. He said, yesterday I didn't tell you anything, but you were amazing yesterday. So then वो retrospect में ना 1-2 दिन के बाद it sinks in कि हाँ यार that was amazing. And then you look forward to the release of the film because you want that particular scene to come out.
No, बिल्कुल. मुझे वही सीन देख के मुझे एक एहसास हुआ था that she is not holding herself back, and it's not an easy scene for any actress to say yes to, whatsoever. But you did not hold yourself back. Silences, pauses, eye contact, आंखों से बात करना.
Thank you.
कैसे करती हैं आप? कितना important है आपके लिए?
I speak. I really think बहुत important है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए. And कैसे करते तो I don't know. There's no technique. I think I'm a very intuitive actor. I don't rehearse. I rehearse my lines. I have to know my lines very well. And then I go on set, and then it's the brief of the director. Then I'm like a blank book that आप मुझे brief दो, because nobody knows the उतार चढ़ाव of a character better than your director, because he's seeing the entire film.
जी.
Right? He knows his edit in mind. तो फिर वो brief लेके then you make it your own. You have to just know your lines well. Of course, there are certain times you have questions. Why is she reacting like this? Why is her anger at that level? Why is she crying? Why everything, depending on the kind of scene. But मैं उतना सोचती नहीं हूँ कि मैं अभी आंखें से इमोट करूँगी या ये करूँगी. I think it's just एक और बहुत चीज़ होती है फरीदून, that if your co-actors are strong ना, your performance is elevated.
100%.
Always.
100%.
And if your co-actors are standing for your reactions, बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल.
So Maddie sir,
collaboration.
Yeah, so all the big scenes that I have with him in the film, or even Ajay sir for that matter, both of them are not actors जो चले जाएंगे कि हाँ एक point को देख के acting कर लो. They actually stand for the reactions. They actually stand for their suggestions. That makes a huge difference.
Definitely, and at the same time, eye contact. There are examples when some of the biggest stars, fidgety eye contact होता है ना, वो सुर हिल जाता है कि यार ये eye contact maintain करके रखने था भाई, उसको हटाने का नहीं था.
And screen पे दिखता है.
Screen पे दिखता है, and it's like a very sore note to it. And at times they don't realize it while doing it, and maybe the director doesn't have the courage to tell them that it's not come out nicely.
But I think it's all changing, Faridun. Audiences have become very smart now. they really see through it and they will still give you an opportunity अगर आप में एक honesty दिख रही है. They'll give you an opportunity to improve your craft if you're honest. But if you're not honest, they will thrash you. And I don't think there is a shortcut to being honest with your work. How can you not be? You know, like my point is, matlab, this is what you want to do. You have to try to give whatever, take out the last juice, last drop of effort from me also.
What sort of an actor are you? Do you like to internalize? Do you like to become the character in like get into a method of it? Some actors, like say Tabu for example, they're laughing and then suddenly they go and do like an amazing crying scene whatsoever.
I'm intuitive. No.
You're more intuitive.
More intuitive. I'm not a very, very method actor. Yes, of course, if there's something which is very intense, तो ऐसा नहीं है that I will be joking a lot before that because you need to be in that mode, but not for the entire day. I just sort of calm myself 15-20 minutes before the scene and try to start thinking about things that will get me to a level of that emotion that I need to portray. And otherwise, cut होने के बाद then again I start laughing. I am someone who tries कि मैं अपना character पैकअप के बाद छोड़ के मैं घर जाऊँ तो I'm not carrying that energy with me. And that's a conscious effort. And which is why I consciously have a surround system even on set, which is my team that I keep laughing with or, you know, joking with or just to sort of wash that emotion off me. Otherwise, because it's happened with me where I was shooting for a film and I carried that it affected my health for a continuous number of days. I don't know if you watched this film, I Love You, which was a thriller on Jio. So उसमें हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे and 10 दिन के लिए I was shooting very intense. You know, it's a survival thriller of a girl.
Correct.
And it's a night story. So, you know, she's running for her life. There's action, there's drama, there's crying, and there's just a lot of emotion throughout that night. तो वो 10 दिन हम वही shoot कर रहे थे that I stopped. After 2-3 days of shoot, I stopped digesting food. Like I was throwing up food. I couldn't, like water, if I was drinking, I was throwing up water. And it was very strange and I couldn't sleep at night. And then I spoke to my nutritionist because my first action is always the nutrition route. तो मैंने उनसे बात की और उन्होंने बोला, I think your mind is believing that you are in a fight or flight mode. जो मैं फिल्म में थी. तो अगर 12 घंटा शूट पे आप वो इमोशन फील कर रहे हो तो योर बॉडी स्टार्ट्स बिलीविंग यू आर एक्चुअली इन अ फाइट और फ्लाइट मोड एंड इट्स रिजेक्टिंग एवरीथिंग सो आई हैड टू टेक लाइक स्लीप मेडिकेशन फॉर 3-4 days एंड फनीली 10 दिन के बाद जब स्केड्यूल खत्म हुआ आई जस्ट लेफ्ट द सिटी एंड आई वेंट टू लंडन फॉर 3 days and the moment I landed there I was fine.
It happens.
Yeah, so after that I'm like okay, I need to just wash off the energy on set and then go back home.
बिल्कुल फाइनली मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. आपने एनर्जी का आपने काफ़ी जिक्र किया, आपने काफ़ी बार आपने मल्टीपल बार किया. ये कहते हैं कि दैट मे बी 97% ऑफ द एनर्जी दैट सराउंड्स अस मे बी इज नॉट गुड फॉर अस एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी प्रोटेक्टिव अबाउट द एनर्जीज दैट are surrounding you or impacting you. How protective are you about the energies that surround you?
I am. I really am a very strong believer of energy and I feel that there are certain people, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आप किसी को मिलो and लगता है they consume you and I distance myself then. I just feel that I have no place in my life to be around people who are consuming energy from me because anyways when you're in the public eye, anybody who's in the public eye is subjected to a lot of energy, right? And I do my salt baths and whatever little I can, right? In terms of, I'm not like someone who's obsessive, but I do believe that energy is a huge player in one's life. So at least with my inner circle and the people I interact with, whether it is my team who I spend more time with than I spend at home, you know, hair, makeup, assistant, all of them, that energy is very important. So I have the same team since the last 7 years and my assistant since 13 years since I started shooting.
Right.
So I feel like that energy is the most sacred because उनको आप सुबह 5 बजे मिलते हो शूट पे और पूरा दिन उसी एनर्जी में रहते हो, right? And then obviously friends and the kind of people you meet. So I just don't have any tolerance for people who are negative or bitchy or just just not in sync with.
That's truly outstanding. So Rakul, wonderful talking to you, and thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
And
it was lovely.
looking forward to all your future ventures. And
Thank you.
I genuinely hope that we see you in some mythology or maybe historical
Yes.
in the near future. That should
Yes.
be wonderful.
Yes, I would love to.
Yeah. All the best wishes and congratulations for everything that is happening in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Faridun.
you.
Lovely chatting with you.
Thank you very much. So that was Rakul on this very special, memorable conversation, and I genuinely hope that you enjoy this.
Hi guys, this is Rakul and you're watching Memorable Conversations with Faridun Shehryar.